everyone, happy Monday. So as you all know, I am obviously vlogging, doing weekly vlogs every week for the whole month of December. So it's currently Monday. I woke up about an hour or so ago, and I was just laying in bed watching some YouTube, and now I am attempting to make breakfast, and for some reason the stovetop's not working as well as it normally does, and I don't know why. It does this like often, like it will work but then it won't work, and I just don't understand. But I made my coffee, and so I'm just gonna make breakfast, sit and eat and drink my coffee for a little bit, and probably watch some more YouTube. Hi, do you want to say hello? Do you want to say hi? Look. Yeah. I think Emmy's gone crazy. But I don't have many plans for today, well, this week in general, really. Last week was a big week, and so there's just not much going on this week. But today I am going to film Wednesday's video, which I am doing a Christmas Q&A, which I've already had you guys ask me questions on Instagram. So I'm gonna film that after I get ready. And then I need to do some washing, and that's pretty much it. I have to try and do my assignment, which I have no motivation for because I'm so sick of this assignment, but we'll get there, I think, hope. But yeah, so not too much going on today. Tomorrow I do have a headspace appointment, so obviously I won't be able to film too much there. And then I think on Wednesday I might be going out with Sienna, but I'm not 100% sure. What are you smelling? But yeah, we'll just see where the week goes. Something might pop up that's a bit exciting. But yeah. Okay, hello. I don't know why I say hello when I start every single clip, like it's literally the same thing. Anyway, so I got dressed and had a shower and hello. And I've just finished filming Wednesday's video. I'm horrible. I'm always so bad at like sitting there and like knowing what I'm saying, and I just ramble on about everything, but it worked out well. So I think now I'm going to make my thumbnail, so that's out of the way, even though that's probably one of the easiest parts, but it's the part I enjoy the most. So I'm gonna do that and get that done. And then I vacuumed as well. I vacuumed my room, so that's good. I needed to do that. But now I'm gonna make my thumbnail, and then I think I really don't want to, but I'm gonna have to try and do my assignment. And this is an assignment that I've been stuck on for literally, I would say like 2-3 months. Like, it's not even that hard, but it's so repetitive and just like annoying. So I'm just not looking forward to it at all. But yeah, I hope you're all enjoying my video that I posted yesterday, so on Sunday. It was for the first weekly vlog for this month. I had fun filming it. I obviously did a horrible job because I'm not doing too well with vlogging, but I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, so sit down and do my assignment and then probably make lunch, which I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but we'll figure it out. Because I just wanted to show you my shirt. Now, I bought this shirt yesterday at H&M, and I just got it in the biggest size I could because I wanted to crop it. I've never like cropped anything myself before, and I just felt like it was a really good idea because trying to find like good plus size crop shirts is so hard. They're either like too tight or too short, or the arms aren't right. But I did this one myself, and for the first shirt that I've ever cropped, I'm really proud. So this is it. So it used to be like all the way down, but I think I did a pretty good job. But yeah, that's all. I just thought you should all know about my proud moment of cropping my own shirt, even though you've all probably done it once or twice, but very well. Okay, so I had lunch and I've been working on my assignment a bit. There's such like a big part of it that I'm nowhere near finished, but I'll get there. I decided to cook some chicken for lunch, and I also cut up some cucumber, and I saw this thing on TikTok actually, and it's like a healthy snack where you just cut up cucumber, put lemon juice on it, and then just like salt and chili. And I tried it, and oh my god, it is the best thing ever. And if you have it, put like onion powder on it, because wow. So that's what I had for lunch. But now I'm just gonna go back and try and do as much of this assignment as I can. So fingers crossed. Okay, so happy Tuesday. I'm so sorry that I've literally not vlogged a single thing yet, and it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But I've had my headspace appointment and it went really well. And now I am just about to pick up Sienna, and we're gonna go to the beach and get some frozen yogurt, I think. But yeah, so I'll just film a few clips when I'm with Sienna. And again, I'm so sorry. I said that this week I'd be better, and so far we're not really proving that, are we? But I will see you in a bit. And I just want to say that I'm not driving right now. I am parked, so don't come at me. So I'm with Sienna and we try to go to the beach and it's like negative freaking whatever it said it was, but it's so cold, so I'm not swimming. We're just gonna eat instead, and don't go to the beach when it's freaking freezing. So in case you can't tell, this is shattered. This is in 1,000 million tiny pieces. So we kind of fucked up and reversed too far, and now the back windshield's broken, and in this point in time no one's gonna fix it and there's nowhere to leave it, so my car's gonna get stolen or I don't know what the other alternatives are. Anyway, it's had a breakdown already, and now we're just too scared to get out of the car, so it's so bad. I'll let you know what happens, but let's just say when I go to Melbourne in a couple of weeks, I'm more than likely going to be eating bread and nothing else, because I won't be able to afford anything. But great, we love our bread. So we made it home, finally. I'll insert some photos right here of how bad my car is and the taped up version. Sienna and I ended up getting frozen yogurt.
Look at this email from work. The title is Blue Budgie on the Loose at Allambie. Hi all, a colleague spotted a blue and white budgie on the Allambie side at 3 p.m. today near the outdoor tables outside the IT building. He's most likely someone's escaped pet, and if so, he's not equipped to survive long in the big wide world. Can I ask everyone to please keep an eye out for him as you walk around site, and to email me or call me blah. With some luck, we might be able to lure him back to safety and return him to his owner.
If you see a blue budgie
It's 5:30, everyone's gone home.
in Allambie, let them know. But yeah, so now we got home. I've still got anxiety and can't breathe. Might have another breakdown in a sec. We'll see. And yeah, most stressful drive home, I can tell you that. But yeah, I'll show you the photos and see you when I'm crying, because that could be some good footage. Hello everyone, happy Wednesday. So to be really quiet because Callum is still asleep, but this morning I have someone coming to fix my back window, which is obviously very good, but obviously really bad because it's gonna cost $700, and I'm pretty sure I mentioned yesterday, I am 2 weeks out from flying out to Melbourne. So, oh well. But that is happening today, and then I have to edit tonight's video. And I don't think there's really much else happening like this week. Hi, Emmy. Wanna say hello? Emmy. So yeah, this is my last weekend with Mum and Grandma before they go away, and then before I go away. So yeah, it's kind of a sad week. Like obviously I have like most of next week with them, but no, but we'll just see how the day goes. I also still have to try and finish my assignment. I don't know if I'm going to do that today or tomorrow. I'm dreading it, but I'll let you know. Okay, so the little windowy guy came and we have a window again. Callum's been pressing this stupid button for the last like 20 minutes, I swear. So $688 later and we have a windshield thingy.
Yeah.
So that was fun.
And lots of gas.
And it was really interesting to like see how he did it. And he made such a mess.
It was quite satisfying, just like shattered that.
Yeah, and then he like tried to clean it, but he didn't do it very well. What's in our letterbox?
Well, that will be what that person just put in here.
We just delivered trash to our letterbox. So yeah, well now I think we're just gonna go make lunch because I'm so freaking hungry. And I ended up waking up like an hour earlier than I needed to because he took so long to get here. So I'm tired, but whatever. Making lunch, we made my salad again. Oh good. And just some curly fries. And we're just sitting watching The Flash. And then I think I'm gonna get dressed. I feel so like wrong always being in like pajamas and not being clean. So I'm gonna get dressed after and then do the dishwasher and probably start editing. So where did I even last vlog? I got dressed. We had our lunch obviously as you saw, and I've edited the video completely, so it should be uploading and processing now, and I think I'm gonna post it at around 7 or 8 tonight. Late, I know, but this seemed to work. So yeah, and then I'm just got home after going to the shops and dropping Callum at home. I think I'm gonna make my little cucumber snack that I made the other day, so I'll show you that process, and then I think I'm gonna go to Grandma's just so you guys can have a bit more of an exciting vlog, and obviously to see Grandma and Riz. And I think after tonight's clips are done, I'm going to put in a little video that Mum and Nicole filmed while Nicole was here last week. So if you follow me on Instagram or are friends with me on Facebook, you have already seen that, but it's just so funny that it deserves to be put everywhere. So I will put that in at the end of the night. And I've also been called into work tomorrow, so there's not going to be much footage of tomorrow, but hopefully Friday and Saturday are a bit more exciting. And yeah.
I'll see you, bros.
No, bye, bros.
Have a good time in America.
Thank you. Have a good time in Melbourne.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I'll see you in about 6 weeks.
Okay.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, bros.
Hi.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you.
See you in 6 weeks. Have fun in America.
Yeah, have fun in Melbourne.
Yeah. See you in the new year. Bye.
Hi.
Oh, bros. Oh, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Have a good time in America.
Have a good time in Melbourne.
Yeah, I will, mate. I'll see you in the new year. Take care.
Take care.
Yeah. See you, bros.
Hi.
Oh, hello, bros.
Hi.
Oh, Merry
Bros.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too.
You have a great time in America, bros.
You have a great time in Melbourne.
I'll see you in 6 weeks. Take
Bye.
care. Bye. Oh, bros. Oh, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas to you too.
You have a great time in America.
You have a great time in Melbourne.
I will, mate. I'll see you in the new year.
Okay.
Right, take care. Bye. Oh, Bruz! Oh, I got you again! Oh, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas to you too.
Now you have a good time in America.
You have a good time in Melbourne.
I will, mate.
Hey.
I'll see you in the new year.
Okay.
You take care. Oh, Merry Christmas, Bruz.
Merry Christmas to you too, Buzz.
You have a wonderful time in America.
Oh, I will. Have a good time in Melbourne.
I'll see you in like 6 weeks.
Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Let's shake hands.
Okay. See you later. Bye.
Bye.
It's exactly like I did last week. What's wrong with you? So we're at work. Yeah.
Right.
So since it's now Thursday, you would have seen the footage that I put in of Mum and Nicole's comedy skit. Yeah. Merry Christmas, Bruz. Yeah. So none of you are going to understand it because you don't know what Bruz or fuzz means, but it's funny. Anyways, we'll check in with you at morning tea. Yeah. We didn't get milkshakes again because someone also ruined the whole mood of the day, but whatever.
Okay.
Little. Bonsoir. I feel weird saying that to people that don't even understand the rap. Okay. Anyways, we got home. This was bad. And Callum's here. Hello. And Mum's here.
Hi.
And Mum's prepping dinner because we're going to go to Grandma's for dinner because I want to do the puzzle that we started yesterday. And yeah, work was great. Made an acquaintance. And yeah, that's about it. How was your day, Callum?
It's fine. Boring.
So just in case you couldn't tell, we all have really boring lives in this household.
Yeah.
But it's fine. It's all a-okay. Little man's life's not boring, is it, Daddy? It's a good boy.
You're not worried. You're also not worried.
Not worried.
You're not worried.
And this, Emmy.
Are you worried, Emmy?
No, she's not worried. Are you, Poppers? No. So yeah, we'll see you when we're at Grandma's having dinner with Riz and doing my puzzle. So we've just had dinner. And now with little Riz. Rizzy had some sausages, as well as some pasta and some salmon. And now Mum's just sitting there. Grandma's cleaning. Hi. And now we're just gonna wait till we're not that full and eat dessert. And then do puzzle.
Are you joking?
No, we've bought apple pie stuff. Crumble. Grandma loves apple crumble. Bye, TV. Bye, Grandma.
Bye.
Bye, Mummy.
Where you going, Mum?
Bye, puzzle. I did all of this.
Oh.
Except that part. We've not got much to go. Bye.
Oh, I meant you to try those trousers on.
Morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Sorry if I sound a little weird. I've got my retainers in still. But it is around 9 o'clock and we're just hanging out, aren't we, Emmy? We're just hanging out. I've been up for like an hour or so, maybe half an hour, I don't even know, but I am now gonna go get up, have my coffee, maybe make some breakfast, I'm not sure yet, and then I need to wash my hair. It is now, I want to say around 11, close to 12 o'clock, and I clearly have washed my hair, which, yes, I'm going to re-straighten it, and yes, my hair is dying, but no. At this point in time, I don't care because I'm not feeling it. But I'm just sat down on the couch. I've just actually finished like a little colouring in thing in my Emily Cox Head Make Someone Happy journal. The little colouring in. How cute. So then you cut these out and you're meant to leave them around for people to find, and that will be on the back. So I think super cute. I love this journal so much already, and I'm only like 3 pages in. So yeah, I'm just sitting on the couch doing a little journaling thing. I'm watching some YouTube and might make some lunch soon. I don't know what I'm gonna make because again I don't have anything. Might have my cucumber little snack, that could be good. But yeah, I'm sorry that this week has literally been so boring. I promise the next coming weeks are gonna be a lot more interesting. Maybe not so much next week. I don't really have much on next week. Ooh. Yeah, no, I think Mum's got an appointment, and then next Saturday is when Mum and Grandma leave. So that's gonna be kind of sad. But yeah, the week after though is definitely gonna be a fun one. So obviously we have Christmas. I will be filming a very fun video, and then Boxing Day, so Thursday the 26th is when Callum and I fly out to Melbourne. So that is what you can be expecting in the next like week or two. So that's gonna be really fun. And then obviously I'll be filming for the rest of December while I'm in Melbourne, so you'll get like a little Melbourne vlog. And I think I might try and weekly vlog the second week I'm in Melbourne too, just because it's Melbourne and it's gonna be like a little holiday. It's our first holiday away together, so I promise you that there is more exciting stuff coming. I'm just not a very fun person, I'm sorry. Now, about 1:30 I have straightened my hair, and I've just made myself like a little snack because like I don't really have any like lunch stuff here, and I don't even know. But yeah, so I've made myself a snack. Sorry, what the heck. And so I've just made my little cucumber thing, but I added some tomato too. So that's all I'm gonna have to eat at this point in time. Yeah, I'm just gonna hang out home while I eat, and then I think I'm gonna go to Grandma's house, do more of the puzzle and see Riz and Grandma. And then I think Callum might be coming over later, I'm not sure, but we'll see. Little Riz. And we finished the puzzle.
No, you do it the other way, don't you?
No, not when you're filming a video, you don't. When did we start this? I just got home, I got Callum, we went to the post office, and now we're filming. And this was my present. Hello, happy Saturday, even though it's 4:30 on a Saturday, and I should have started this at 9:30 on Saturday. But we've been so busy. So we went to the mall this morning and met Grandma. We went and got some lunch at Sushi. And then I got a new bag. Grandma's just burnt her mouth on butter chicken. And what did you get? Did you get anything? No. We got stuff for
Umbrellas.
what?
Yeah.
The family in the USA that require Australian goodies. And that's about it.
Do you want to get your bag for you?
No. We started another puzzle.
No, you start.
Oh look, if you look at it now, you can see what parts are shiny.
Can you?
She's so mad at me because we started another puzzle. She said that we're not starting another one until she gets back. Rizzy's having a dinner. She's nearly had it all. Discovered that she likes sausages. She's had a hard time eating dinner recently, hasn't she? With the loss of her buddy. And then I'm gonna go get Mum soon. And we're gonna come back and have dinner, even though Grandma's already eating her dinner. We can have dessert together.
done,
Well
Riz.
done, little Riz. She's put it absolutely everywhere. Look at her, she's waddling.
Good girl.
And yeah, that's about it. All that's going on. I know I said that the weekend would be more interesting. It's not. I also said next week might be a bit more interesting. It probably won't be. Grandma to spat everything out. Oh, she needs a wee, so now she's finishing it off. But yeah, from after Mum and Grandma leave, then things will start getting more interesting. Not because they're not there, but that's when everything's going to start happening. So whether you want to watch the boring weeks next week or not, that's your choice. But this is my life. You're welcome. I wish I would got Grandma spitting out her food on camera, but... Okay, so it is currently obviously nighttime. I'm in bed. The lighting is horrible. I'm sorry. So it is Saturday night, which means this is the end of the vlog, as I will be editing and uploading it tomorrow. Also, again, I'm sorry if I sound ridiculous with my retainers. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry that it was so boring. I just can't help it. Next week, I promise that there'll be some more interesting things in the vlog. Pinky promise. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you for watching if you've made it this far. Thank you for watching if you made it any way through. We are currently at 273 subscribers, which is insane. I've only been doing this for like 4 months. But I want to try and hit 300 by the end of December. So please, 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 if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. It would honestly mean the world to me, and it already does mean so much, but if we could hit that, that would mean everything. So yeah, I will see you in my next video.
It's okay.